The magical eggs demands. A boy plays happily under a tree. Suddenly, a glowing bird appears. Catch my egg, it's magical, chirps the bird. The boy catches the egg with excitement. The egg suddenly speaks. Hello, I need milk, biscuits, and a mobile phone. How can I give a mobile phone to an egg? The boy asks, bewildered. The bird laughs mischievously. If you don't, this egg will read your homework aloud. The boy looks terrified at the thought. The boy rushes home to get biscuits. He returns with a plate of biscuits for the egg. Yum! Next time bring pizza too, demands the egg. The boy realizes his new reality.